Hello everyone, welcome to today's Python tutorial series. In this tutorial, you are going to learn the most fundamental tools for data manipulation in Python, which is filtering dictionary in Python. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, mastering the filtering dictionary is crucial for effective data filtering and manipulation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also write your comment in the comment section. Here is filtering dictionaries in Python, which involves selecting specific key value pairs based on certain criteria. You can achieve this using dictionary compression and filter function. Here are some examples of using the filter function to filter dictionaries in Python. Filter keys, filter by values, filter non-values, filter keys based on some value, and filter dictionary from list, filter an empty dictionary. Here is the syntax of filter function. So the filter function basically used to filter elements of an iterable based on a function. The filter function takes two parameters, the function and iterable. The function parameter is a function that returns a Boolean value, true or false. The function is applied to each element of the iterable. If the function returns true for an element, that element is included in the result. Otherwise, the function, the element is not included in the result, or it is excluded in the result. And the iterable parameter is the sequence to be filtered. It can be a list, a tuple, a dictionary, or any other iterable object that needs to be filtered. The filter function returns an iterator that contains the elements from the iterable for which the function returns true. Here is an example. Filter a keys from a dictionary based on a specific condition using the filter function. Here, for example, if you want to filter some keys from the given dictionary, for example, A, B, C, I can apply filter function with lambda function as a function parameter in the filter function. Here is an example, filter keys, and we convert into dictionary. The result will be converted into dictionary, and we use filter function. Then, in this case, the function that's going to return true or false could be a lambda function. Lambda item at index 0 is a member of A, B, and C. Then we pass the sample dict items into this filter function as an iterable object. So this sample dict items converts the dictionary into a list of tuples. Let's see. That's good to iterate and compare. Here, the dictionary is converted into a pair of a list of tuples. So here, each just this is iterable. So this filter just iterates through each tuple, each item in the list, and here takes the first. For example, when iterating through each element in the list, it's just obtain item at index 0 is A. If it is a member of this, it's going to return true, and the element is included in the result. And B is also a member of this. this also true and included in the result, and so on. So it continues until it becomes false. All the false result could not be included in the result. So we can see the output of this. Yeah, A, B, C are filtered from the given dictionary based on this filter condition, based on this condition. If the keys are a member of this condition. Okay, let's go on. The second example is filtering the dictionary based on the values using the filter function based on some values. Let's say if I want to filter the dictionary which the value is greater than 3, for example. So the value is greater than 3 is 4 and 5. So I'm gonna filter only this dictionary items from a dictionary based on the values greater than 3. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here I filter the values, the dictionaries, the values are greater than 3. And let's see the output of this filter. Yeah, 4 and 5 are filtered because here when you are iterating each item has a tuple. So we just the value is is found at index 1. Okay, so we just slice and compare the values if that value is greater than 3 or not. So if it is true, it's going to include it in the result in the filtered values as a dictionary. Okay, let's do one more example, how to filter values of even and odd keys using dictionary comparison. Here we have done using filter function. We can also use dictionary comparison to filter values from a dictionary. Let's do it. Here is the dictionary. The dictionary contains integer keys and string values. So I want to filter the dictionary items from this dictionary if the keys are even. To do this, I can use the dictionary comparison, even values, dictionary comparison, key value for key value in my picked dot items. If the key modulus 2 is equals to 0, okay? If the key is equals to 0, and let's see the output. Yeah, 8 is even, 4 is even, and 10 is even. All even keys are filtered using this dictionary comparison function. And we can also filter all the odd keys, the values or the items of all odd keys. We can change this, and here we can change equal to not equal, and we can see that all the odd keys are filtered. Sorry. Yeah, here is the result. The result just 9, 5, 3 are odd keys. All the items which are the odd keys are filtered. Okay. So those examples demonstrate the use of the filter function and this dictionary compression to filter dictionaries in Python based on various conditions. You can customize the condition, the lambda function, and or condition within the filter to suit your specific filtering requirements. Thanks for watching.